In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off your Beats Flex and also how to pair them with your phone. So let's get started. Your Beats Flex has two of these plastic casing on the cord itself. One of them is to control the volume. So where it says Beats, you're going to have a longer button for up and down volume. This is not the on and off button. The on and off button is located on the other casing. It's right over here. It's very small. So to turn on the Beats, you just have to keep press that button during about, I would say, a second until the light comes on. Once the light comes on, you release the button. Let me demonstrate. I'm pressing, it comes up, I can remove my finger. If you do not see any light, even if you press during a second or two, it simply means that they need to be charged. The Beats Flex comes with a charging cable. They don't come with a charger, so you'll have to get one. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get a USB-C charger. And the good thing is you don't have to wait very long to charge them. For 10 minutes, you get about an hour and a half of music playing time. Okay, so if you see this small light flashing, it simply means that they are in pairing mode. I didn't pair these with any smartphone yet, so this is why it flashes. And before showing you how to connect them, to turn them off, you just have to press the same button over here until the light disappears. Here we go. Then release your finger right away once the light goes off. Now let me show you how to pair it with your smartphone. So these are working obviously with iPhone and also Android. This time I'll show you with Android, but I'll make another video separate showing you with the iPhone. It's almost the same thing, so don't worry. First of all, again, we need to put them in pairing mode. So I'll press this button a second until I see this light flashing. Leave them on the side, take your smartphone, and we'll need to go into the Bluetooth settings. This is an Android, so to do so, I'll drag down, I'll press the settings icon. And from here, I will see connection, Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on, tap on it. It will show you a list of devices that are around you, and you'll need to find the Beats Flex. In my case, it's the first one in this list. So I'll tap on it, wait a few seconds. You'll get this message, tap on pair. And here we go, it's now connected via Bluetooth. I can tap the small wheel here and I'll be able to select if I want to use them for audio. So if you want to listen to music or YouTube, or let's say you do not want to use them for calls. Well, you can uncheck this and you won't be able to use them if somebody is calling you. In my case, I want both of them. If you want to disconnect them, let's say you sold them or you're not interested in using them anymore, you simply need to go back into the Bluetooth settings, select them by tapping the small settings icon here and tap on unpair. This will unpair them and they will disappear from your Bluetooth list here. And if you want to use them again, you'll need to repair them the same way I showed you a few seconds ago. Let me turn them off now, simply by pressing this button until the lights disappear. Then I remove my finger and we are done. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like. Check the Amazon affiliate links if you want to get a charger for them or other accessories. By doing this, you're supporting my channel, and if not, simply leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.